special guest here, unfortunately, y'all. He don't want to move and leave, and I put him out I don't know how many times, but he keep coming in here. Move, move. Anywho, just act like he ain't there. Today I'm going to be installing a wig from Alipearl Hair. I'm excited to install this wig because it's one of their halo stitch braid units, and I'm just opening it up for the first time, so we're going to see what it looks like together. A quick unboxing. It comes with a edge brush. They also give you a melt band with their logo on it. They throw in some lashes, of course, wig cap, and this looks like it's going to be a little compact mirror, and I love a good compact mirror because I throw those in my purse all the time. And then when we get ready to store the wig, we also have a little satin bag, but this box is so cute that I'll probably just keep it in the box too, just saying. But anywho, these are little tape pieces that you can use to install your wig with. I've never used them before, so I don't really feel like being experimental today. I'm just gonna use some free spray instead. Ooh, look at that, baby. Look at that. Look at that, crew. Look at that. This is cute, honey. She comes with baby hairs on the unit. You can see how you have these little 3 skinny braids right here, just adding a little bit of more pizzazz to the unit. And then it's slit back right here in between those parting spaces, and of course the part that you came here for, the halo stitch braid, is right here at the top of the unit. I love that. It gives such creativity to a unit. And then of course, if you like baby hairs, they have baby hairs all across the frontal of the hairline. And then for the texture of the hair, it has a nice wave to it, kind of crimped. So I'm probably just going to end up probably brushing it out a little bit, combing it out, adding water. I don't know. We're going to see how I keep the hairstyle, how I keep the hair texture. Definitely wouldn't take this apart because, honey, ooh, I won't be able to get this back like this. But this hair is giving high density. It's very full, very thick, and I love that. So anyways, let's take this wig off and put this wig on. And then I want to get into the inside of the unit too, so I went ahead and added some tint spray to the lace because I needed it to make sure that it matches my skin tone. And then we have an elastic band in here which is adjustable, so that way you can make sure it fits your head. And then of course the back of it comes with a comb, and then it has some adjustable straps back there just to make it a little bit tighter. I'm going to use the olive oil Fix It Hold It spray. I'm going to have to do a little bit of a cut over here. The question is what to do with the hair. Do I want to crimp it or leave it like this? Should I brush it out? Should I pull it apart with my fingers? It's giving kind of pull it apart with your fingers and go from there. That's what I'm gonna do. Don't get me wrong, it looks pretty like this, but you could tell it came out of the packaging like that. I want to make sure it looks a little bit more free-flowing, a little bit more natural, realistic. I don't want it to give packaged. So I'm gonna just pull it apart for now and see what we get from there. Pulled the hair apart, so I think that's how I'm going to leave it for now. Now let's take this off and see what we're working with. Come on, blend. Now we got to do something to these baby hairs. Y'all know I'm not a baby hair girly. Take some mousse, some set lotion, and work this back into the hair. Now this is so cute, but I think I want it to like mesh down just a little bit, just a little, so it doesn't look so, does it look high to y'all? Ooh, gorgeous, gorgeous. The melt is eating, okay? Baby, she looks good. I ain't gonna lie, I did that right there, baby. I'm gonna add just a little bit of mousse to the back where I might have made it look a little funny from pulling it apart. I'm gonna add a little bit to the ends as well. Finished look. Let me give you guys a 360. I want you to be able to see how long it is. Hits me like mid back. And of course, we had to do an up close view. Look at that. It's just gorgeous. Oh, it's giving pure scalp. I also think this would be really cute with like a shorter style. You get what I'm saying? Like imagine if it stopped like right there. Wouldn't that be cute? The finished look, you guys see where it stops at right here when I pull it all to the front. Like look at that. That's a cute style. But this halo stitch braid, babe, they did that. This is so creative. I'm telling you, these wigs are getting so much more advanced and I love it. Alipearl hair, you did really good with this unit. I love the density of it. It's really, really full. This curl pattern is beautiful. You can definitely go in, add water, mousse, curls, whatever you want to add to it. I like it in this style though. I feel like it goes into the same texture or same style. I don't really know how to describe it. I feel like in the future I might want to go in with like some wand curls. I feel like that would be cute with this, but I don't want to ruin the actual curl pattern of this unit. So I'm going to leave it as is right now. But isn't it cute? It's going to be cute once fall come around, babe. You will see me rocking this unit over on IG and TikTok. Make sure you guys check out my Instagram and my TikTok page. They're linked below. If you're interested in this unit is going to be linked in my description bar below. Thank you to Alipearl for sending this unit over. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.